Welcome back. In this section, we are going to define user-defined types. Cassandra SQL language supports the definition of user-defined types, that is UDT. Such a type can be created, modified and removed using the create type statement, alter type statement and drop type statement. But once created, a UDT is simply referred by its name. User defined type equal to UDT name equal to key space names identifier. So let's create a UDT. For creating a new user defined type is done by using a create type statement defined by create type statement equal to create type, if not exist UDT name, then the field definitions and we specify the type. If the syntax looks complicated, once we create UDT, it will be easier for you to understand. A UDT type has a name which used to declare column of that type. It is a set of named and type field. Field name can be any type, including collection or other UDT, for instance. So let's move to the practical demonstration of it. So the first step will be create a type address which accepts street, city and zip. So let's create table address which has 3 columns: street which accept text, city which accept text and zip which is zip code which accepts integer. So now let's create table and pass this address in it. So I am creating create table user profiles which has login text, primary key, first name text, last name which accept text, email as text and address is of type map text comma frozen address. So this address has been used over here. So this is how user defined data type can be used in creating tables. So this is how an example of it. Altering a UDT, that is user defined type. An existing user defined type can be modified using a alter type statement. Alter type statement will be alter type UDT name, then we specify the modification. We can do add field definition, rename a field or identification to identifier. So let's move to the practical demonstration of it. To alter a type, we will be doing alter type addresses, rename zip to zip code. By using this, we can alter the user defined type. So that's all for the practical demonstration of it. Dropping a UDT, you can drop an existing user defined type using a drop type statement, that is drop type if exist UDT name. In our case it will be drop type if exist addresses. So this is the way we can drop user defined type. So that's all for this lecture. See you in the next video.